Type 1 diabetes cure update. Today we have an exciting announcement from Sana. Sana is the company that figured out how to genetically modify the beta cell so that the human immune system cannot identify it and therefore attack it. They have one patient in this trial, and so far we're over 6 months out from him being dosed, and his immune system still has not attacked these cells. Now, he is not cured because they only gave him 5% of the dose needed to cure, but the fact that this proof of concept worked is a huge deal, and listen to their announcement they made today. Today they announced that they are going to be publishing the 6-month data from this patient in the New England Journal of Medicine. That's a big deal, you guys. Just to give you a little background, their data shows that their modified beta cells transplanted with no immunosuppression persist and function over time in a patient with type 1 diabetes. Their data also shows that the genetic modifications that they made to the beta cells overcome both allogenic and autoimmune rejection. Remember, there's two sides to the immune system, and their cells were able to evade both of them. Sana originally announced this 6-month data at the big ADA diabetes conference that was going on in Chicago several weeks ago, but they re-announced it today in San Francisco at the big World Organ Transplant Congress going on right now. Now, the cells that they used in this first patient were human cadaveric islet cells that were genetically modified, but their goal is to do that same modification to a stem cell-based group of islet cells that can control someone's blood sugar, because in order to cure a lot of people, you have to have a pretty much unlimited source of stem cells. So they need to be able to reproduce this result with stem cells, and that's what they're working on right now. This is pretty exciting. They also announced that they had a recent FDA Interact meeting that increases their confidence in moving forward with the GMP master cell bank for these stem cells. That means that they're showing confidence in being able to do this same technology to stem cells. And this meeting they had with the FDA also increases their confidence that they will be granted an IND as early as 2026. That's going to give them the ability to start testing stem cell-based genetically modified cells on humans. So hopefully that begins next year. There were two new things that came out today. The fact that they are going to publish these results in the New England Journal of Medicine, which gives them a lot of credibility and is very exciting. And then number two, this FDA Interact meeting that they mentioned that gives them confidence that the FDA is going to grant them an IND as early as 2026. They have a lot of obstacles and hurdles to overcome between now and then, but the fact that they feel this optimism coming out of that meeting with the FDA is very optimistic for me as well. You guys, the only things I talk about on this channel are things that actually might cure our daughter of type 1 diabetes. I don't talk about any fluff on this channel. I sort through hundreds of articles to bring you guys the stuff that actually is significant. And this one is significant, and I'm going to bring you all other significant updates from any other company that is working on a cure for type 1 diabetes. So make sure you follow me here for all those updates. Also follow my Facebook group, Crushing T1, as well.